when you look at the camera, I think nothing goes right. All right, so basically what we have here is the unofficial, I can't see the words. The unofficial Disney Parks Cookbook.
It's copycat recipes for the Disney parks.
So if you're wanting to, bring the food home to you in your house, best thing to do is.
You can't be at Disney World or Disneyland. This is your next best option.
So we're trying it. This is our first one we're doing, first video.
And today we're making the bacon macaroni and cheese from Main Street. This is from the restaurant Casey's Corner, which, fun fact, originally it was not named Casey's Corner. In 1971, when they first opened at Disney World, it was named Coca-Cola Refreshment Corner, and it wasn't until 1995 that they changed it to Casey's Corner and had the whole baseball theme. Fun fact for you.
All right, here is the ingredients we have to making the
Bacon, macaroni and cheese hot dogs.
All right.
Which it's 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of cooked macaroni and cheese, 2 cups shredded cheese, half a cup of bacon bits, 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, salt and pepper to taste, hot dog rolls, and we're going to be grilling the hot dogs any moment. So you'll need the hot dogs. All right, in a large saucepan, now you're gonna melt your 3 tablespoons of butter and add your 2 tablespoons of flour, mix, and then cook on low for 2 minutes. So here we go. All right, we have our 3 tablespoons of butter here, we're melting. 2 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna make what's called a roux. And you wanna keep stirring. Keep stirring. It's gonna get all nice and thick. And you wanna cook this now for about 2 minutes on low. Just keep stirring. Keep stirring. Now I'm going to raise the heat to medium and then add the milk. Now mix to combine and bring to a boil while you stir continuously. Once this reaches boiling level, we'll turn it down to low again and we will simmer for 4 minutes. All right, we're waiting for this to come up to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, then we will turn it to low again and just simmer for 4 minutes. It's getting really nice and thick. You want to stir continually. It's a milk product, so it'll burn if you're not stirring. So stir continuously until it comes to the boil. Okay, it's been 4 minutes on low that we've been simmering the bechamel sauce. This is what a bechamel, a white sauce, is. We're now going to add our 2 cups of shredded cheese into the bechamel and stir until it's all melted. And I'm probably going to switch to a different utensil. So mix until combined and melted. Now we're gonna add our 2 cups of pre-cooked macaroni noodles to this pot. I'm gonna try to break them up a little bit in my hand because they're pre-cooked. They get stuck together. So now we're going to add the 2 cups and then cover the noodles in this cheese sauce now. Well, that is some cheesy macaroni and cheese. Now that all our noodles are coated, we're going to add our salt and pepper. Adding our salt and pepper. And now the macaroni and cheese part of this recipe is done. Now we'll bring it over to where the hot dogs and rolls are. Now that we have our macaroni and cheese done, and we have our grilled hot dogs done, I have our bacon bits right here. We need to add a generous spoonful of the macaroni and cheese over each hot dog. Now we're going to add bacon bits to garnish. At Casey's Corner, there are chili cheese dogs. There are loaded dogs like slaw dogs. So you can get all kinds of creative in your own kitchen to make copycat versions of ones you've had there. Anyway, I don't eat hot dogs. My husband does. He's gonna come over and try it. And I'm gonna try a little bit of the macaroni and cheese. So Reggie is gonna try the hot dog version. I just put a little bit of the macaroni and cheese with the garnish of bacon bits. But
That looks pretty good, huh?
I think the recipe turned out successful. I tweak a few things, but that's okay. The macaroni and cheese is delish. It looks kind of crazy messy, but it is good.
This is very good.
It's delicious.
It's very good.
So the hot dog version gets a thumbs up.
Thumbs up on this.
Bacon, macaroni, and cheese hot dog.
I need a napkin. It's on my nose right now.
So I give it a thumbs up too.
If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Please ring that bell icon to be notified of the next video that comes out.
And we got this recipe from the Unofficial Disney Park Cookbook, which has all kinds of copycat recipes that we'll be doing one each Sunday.
And this book will be
Linked below in our Amazon affiliate link so that you can get your own copy.
Now, this book, there's tons of recipes inside this book.
We're gonna do one per week from the recipe in the book. And we're only doing ones right now from Walt Disney World because we together haven't been to Disneyland. And as soon as we go to Disneyland, we'll do the ones from Disneyland.
Oh, well, sorry. Guess who does the dishes afterwards after everything's been done? Me! That's okay though, but the food was good. I enjoyed it. She does a wonderful job in cooking, so I appreciate my wife very much. So, I do the dishes. There we go.
Who did setup?
Do we not have a maid? All right, so what are you doing? This is something we're doing together.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You're standing over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,